Reflecting surface is represented by the equation y is equal to 2l by pi sin pi x by l, where x ranges from 0 to l. A ray traveling horizontally becomes vertical after reflection. The coordinates of the point where the rays incident will be. There will be two possible scenarios. Let me first magnify this given diagram. So this is the diagram with the given equation. So there will be two possible scenarios where the incident ray which was originally horizontal will become vertical. In the first scenario, it will get reflected when it is traveling from left to right, and then it will be perpendicular, that it will travel in the vertical direction. In this case, if the horizontal ray becomes vertical, I can say that the angle of incidence is 45 degree. So similarly, the angle of reflection will also be equal to 45 degree. So I can say that since the incident ray and the normal, it makes an angle 45 degree, I can say that the reflecting surface will make an angle 45 degree with the horizontal. Okay, so in the first case, the reflecting surface, the angle over here with the horizontal is 45 degree. So over here I can say that the slope will be equal to tan 45. In the second case, when the ray is traveling from right to left, it again gets reflected, and again the incident ray will make an angle 45 degree. So I can say that now the reflecting surface is making an angle of 135 degree with the horizontal. Okay, now the reflecting surface is making an angle 135 degree with the horizontal. Let us find out the two scenarios. Okay, in order to get the two scenarios, in order to get the coordinates, first we have to know the slope of the given equation. So the equation given over here is y is equal to 2l by pi sin pi x divided by l. So dy by dx will be equal to, when I differentiate this part, it will be equal to 2l divided by pi sin pi x by l. It will be equal to pi by l cos, it will be equal to pi x divided by l. Okay, it will be equal to cos pi x divided by l. So over here the differentiation will be equal to dy by dx, l and pi will get cancelled out, it will be equal to 2 cos pi x divided by l. Okay, it will be equal to 2 cos pi x divided by l. So over here this is the slope. Okay, in the first case, theta is equal to 45 degree, that is the angle made with the horizontal. So slope, that is equal to tan theta is equal to tan 45, which is equal to 1. So in the first coordinate, this slope should be equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 2 cos pi x divided by l. So over here cos pi x divided by l will be equal to half, or I can simply say pi x divided by l will be equal to cos inverse of half, which is equal to pi by 3, which implies over here pi and pi will get cancelled out, x will be equal to l by 3. When x is equal to l by 3, let us find out the y coordinate. So y over here will be equal to 2l divided by pi sin x is equal to pi by 3. So it is equal to, or l by 3, it will be equal to l by 3 over here. So l and l will get cancelled out. Sin pi by 3 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. So y will be equal to root 3l, 2 and 2 will again cancel out. Okay, so it will be equal to y coordinate over here is equal to root 3l divided by pi, which is option number B. Okay, this is the first answer. Let us find out the second answer, when the angle over here is equal to 135 degree, as I have specified over here. Okay, over here the angle made with the reflecting surface is 135 degree. So over here theta is equal to 135 degree. So tan theta will be equal to tan 135, which is equal to tan theta over here will be equal to minus 1. Okay, since it forms in the second part over here, okay, it will be equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 2 cos pi x divided by l. Okay, let us substitute the same thing. Okay, so over here it will be equal to cos, okay, cos pi x divided by l will be equal to, first of all it will be equal to minus half. So it makes sense, since it makes 60 degree with the negative x axis, it will be equal to 120 degrees. So pi x divided by l will be equal to 2l divided by 3. Okay, basically it will be equal to 2l divided by 3, or 2 pi divided by 3. So pi and pi will get cancelled out again over here, pi and pi will get cancelled out over here. So x will be equal to 2l divided by 3. Okay, if I calculate the answer, I will directly get it as D. Okay, so let me find out the y coordinate for the time being. Y is equal to 2l divided by pi, okay, into sin pi by l into 2l divided by 3, okay, into 2l divided by 2L divided by 3. So when I substitute the value, L and L will get cancelled out. 2 pi by 3 is again equal to half. So if I calculate the, so 2 pi by 3, it will be equal to root 3 divided by 2. So when I calculate the value, it will come out to be the same value, that is equal to root 3 L divided by pi. Okay, the rest of the values will be same. So the correct answers are option number B and D.